after planar tracker, we're gonna do another really cool thing. So a lot of you might have seen, green screens in the video. So I actually have given you stock footage of a green screen. So yeah, if you wanna make this green screen disappear in DaVinci, it's not really possible until you go to the Fusion tab. So I selected the clip, I go to Fusion tab, and then I go media in, media out. I just select median 1, and then I go delta. Just type delta, and then it comes delta keyer. You select delta keyer, and then here is the background color. So whatever color is in there, this delta keyer would make it transparent. So what I want to do, I take the selector tool and I drag it to green area. But if I dragged it to white area, this white, then everything which is white in the screen would become white. And that's why people use this crazy green color in a green screen, because most of the time, none of the other colors are very similar to this green. And that's why it's easy to just take out the green screen. So now we can put anything on this computer. For example, now you can see that there's just black screen. So if I put any footage, let's just put the drone footage from here. If I put any footage under this, it would look like it is playing in the system. But now you can see that the footage is in just a normal, like a full length shape. So what I would do, I would reduce the size of the image. And I can also see that the laptop is like not in XY plane. It's kind of, there's a bit of tilt. So I would also change the yaw and the pitch maybe. Maybe I'll change the pitch. So make the pitch look like this. So now it almost look like it is playing actually, you see? So now my image is almost in the same plane. Maybe change the yaw a little bit like so. Maybe rotation. So all these things, yeah, you can just tweak. That's why I wanted to teach Fusion in the end, because whatever I'm doing right now, that is in the edit page, which I've already taught you. So if you watch in full screen, it almost looks like this video is in the computer. How cool is that? So with just one little click, you can just use this. So yeah, that's how you can use the green screen effect in DaVinci Resolve 19 in Fusion.